Are you searching for the perfect facial cleansing tool to level up your skincare routine? In today's busy world, achieving clean, glowing skin can feel overwhelming, especially with so many products to choose from. Let us help you make the right choice. Introducing the Pink Sonic Face Scrubber, a high-performance facial cleanser designed for deep yet gentle cleansing every single day. This tool uses advanced sonic technology, delivering high-frequency vibrations that reach deep into your pores to remove dirt, oil, and impurities. Its soft, hygienic silicone brush head is gentle on all skin types, making it ideal even for sensitive skin. No more harsh scrubbing or constant battery changes. The Pink Sonic Face Scrubber is rechargeable, offering long-lasting performance on a single charge. Plus, its cute and compact pink design adds a touch of fun to your daily routine, making skincare something you'll look forward to. We are a leading factory specializing in original equipment manufacturer and original design manufacturer products. Whether you want custom designs, unique branding, or bulk orders, we deliver high-quality skincare solutions tailored to your needs. Our strict quality control ensures every product performs at its best. Ready to elevate your skincare or grow your beauty brand? Drop us a message for inquiries or collaboration. Like, comment, and share if this could be your next favorite beauty tool. Save this post and click the link below to get started.